Hi friend, welcome to today's training. I'll be walking you through a step-by-step guide on how to capture trend reversal without no indicator. I'm a pure price action trader, so I want to change your thinking today. I want to change your overview on how you analyze market. Stay tuned if you want to be a profitable trader. So looking at the screen, you notice that I label a double button. Some of you said, it's something relevant to everybody. Everyone knows about that, but you don't know what I'm about to share with you. So stay tuned. So now this is what people don't know about trend reversal. Okay, the first time the market has retested this zone and give you what? And give you double what? Give you double top. That's a good one. Some of you will be thinking that this price will go down to this zone. Yes, it will. It's a good one. But for me, I know that this price have changed its behavior at this very area. This is the area of value. The price have changed its behavior. You need to notice something. Whenever you're trading, is observation. Trading is observation. You are not doing anything than observing what the market and the price is doing at that particular point in time. So looking at here now, looking at this very zone here, this pointer is, you notice that the first time the price have wasted enough time giving you double top before it may collapse. So for those of you who take the trade, congratulations, because you won it. But for me, I'm out because I know that something is about to change. That's a momentum shift. You get the point? It's a momentum shift. The first time the market has been wasting long time for you to continue its lower low and lower high. But that's the case. That leads us to another phase called this double button you see here. It's a trend reversal chart pattern. You get the point? So whenever you see such move forming, just prepare yourself for trend change. So look at what happened. It's a good one. For me, people that took this trade, they won it. Perfect one. But what happens here is that the price have changed its face. Some of them it will not hit their target because if they use Fibonacci, as some who use Fibonacci extension to set their target, some may set it around here. And you notice that immediately the price tap into this zone with this candle. This very candle here, it went up immediately. That shows you how powerful this consolidation here had done to the market. So stay tuned. Let me walk you through on what you will do after such formation. Okay, this is the high. I'm waiting for it take off. If this lower high is take off, the next thing I will do is wait for a retest. You get the point? So if this lower high is taking off, I'll be waiting for a retest here, and after this retest, I'll wait for it to engulf. So if this zone is totally out, I will place my target. So let's see what happened. Good one. So the price has done what? The price have break out this zone and retested it. So what next are we waiting for? Can someone out there tell me what next are waiting for? We're waiting for this very high to clear out also. So if that high is clear out also, we set our target. As simple as that. So let's see what the future brings to us. You see how I draw my high. Good one. It's out taking out. So next thing you need to do is where you set your target. My target is just 1:2. I'm not really trader. I just use 1:2 in such cases because the market will last for days or some hours before you hit your target. Sorry. So that's the reason you need to look for 1:2. You get the point. So now I'm risking 0.94% to earn 2.30%. 2.30%, sorry. So let's see what the future brings to us. So that's how to trade it. If you have gotten value so far in what I've been teaching you, why don't you subscribe and stay tuned for more? Why don't you target it? There's no magic about it. Price action is a king. You get the point? Price action is a king. So that's why I tell my students always maintain your cool on price action. So let's move to another one called. So the next trend reversal you need to know as a beginner is called fake out. This is a trap. This is a bull trap. You get a point. So now it's a very trap, sorry. So now what's the trend? The trend is making what series of high and higher lows. So after a while, you notice that this conjunction here, there's a lot of waste of time. There's indecision going on here. This brings your attention as a pure price action trader. You get a point. You just whenever you hear about price action, you follow what the price is doing at that particular point in time. You get a point. So trading is all about observation. You need to observe what is happening. You get the point. So that's why you need meditation. If you're not meditating as a trader, you need to start it now. Get something that will make you to think deep, to be in spirit, for you to observe what is going to happen in the next 5 minutes to come. Okay, look at now. I paused the trade because some people, there are lots of profits are taking here. A lot of people are taking their profit. You get the point. So anybody that took this breakout here, make a lot of trade, at least you make 1:2, maybe I don't think maybe 1.5 or so. That's a very good trade. But what happens here? They'll be waiting for this price to come back to this area of value. Fine. Some people will be waiting for price to also break this, to break out from this constellation. Do you get the point? So what are we expecting? Somebody like me, I'll be expecting the price to come back to this one, because I know if breakout happens, there's no place I'll set my target, because it will explode. No way, unless I set my pending order. But pending order is a losing strategy. I don't like setting anything like pending order. Avoid it as a beginner, please. So now let's see what happens. So the price, good one. Okay, if you go to 1 hour time frame, you may see entry. You get the point. But for me, in my early days of trading and up till now, I ignore every other time frame. It's a noise to me. You get the point. Hence, I'm a pure price action trader. Whatever the price is doing in daily chart, it will report in 4 hours. So whatever is doing in 1 hour, it will report it there. So there's no need of me confusing myself, stressing myself with multiple time frame analysis. You get the point. So I focus on one time frame. Reason is that to avoid noise. You get the point. So okay, look at what is happening. But I use higher time frame. Don't get me wrong. I use higher time frame to know the direction I will set my stop loss. Do you get the point? So not that I'm not using it, because I want to tell you how I analyze on daily basis. As a daily trader, I don't allow multiple time frame distribution on analyzing market. Okay, good one. So some people who take this trade here, welcome, they made it. So what happens? You see what happened. So they may be targeting their profit somewhere around here for those who use Fibonacci extension. But what happened? You notice that everybody was out, even though their profit is taken out. Although the intelligent ones will taking their profit. You get the point. So now, but every amateur trader will leave this to target somewhere around here, because that's what Facebook taught them. But now let me share reason why I'm here. That's not what we have to today. What we have to today is fake outs. This is a trap. What happened here is a trap, because breakdown traders will be in here, because this one has been engulfed totally. You get the point. So here now is still out. But for me, such huge candle, I don't follow it, because I know it's a trap. You need to know this today. These big candles is a trap. So I should, whenever you saw such big candle, the only thing you need to wait for the price to get into the zone. Once you get into the zone and comes out here, you do what? You reference, you break out from this last low. You do what? You take out your trade. Okay, look at what happened. A little bit faster. Good one. So once the price came into this zone, I'm taking my trade. Any confirmation I see here, any confirmation I see in this zone, because this is a bull trap, any confirmation, any bearish trap, sorry, any confirmation I see, I'm taking it down. That's a massive risk to reward. So you don't need to wait for, if you want to be Conversely enough, you can wait for this very zone to go out. But for me, I'm not waiting anymore because I've seen this multiple times in my life. So no need to wait. Good one. I'm taking it with this pin bar here. Though I should wait for more. I should not be aggressive, but I'm just telling you because but for me, I take the trade. That's how I trade. If I see pin bar after this liquidity surge inside the zone, I take the trade. So let's see what happens. Let's see more candles. Okay, good one. This candle has totally cleared these bodies. So we are having our what? We are having our target. We should be around because this is a very good. Whenever I see this type of trade, I always target 1:3, 1:4, depending the day I spotted it. If I spot it on if I spot it on Tuesday, I like to leave it in 1:day. So that's how I trade. So let's see what happens. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, if you are getting a value so far in what you have learned from me today, why can't you subscribe, give me a support so that I'll be keep enlightening you on things you need to know. So the trade is on. So that's how I trade. See you guys next time. I'll be dropping more to help the young ones. Bye for now. See you soon.